lizards, spiders. See, right here, a spider can make a huge nest. I don't know if there is one there either. Nope. Ouch! And by the way, this ground is covered with leaves and sticks and pieces of sticks, which can hurt you when you step on them. But look at this. Trees provide shade. Some bunnies may come here and take a rest from running. And then here's an open spot. Right here. This tree, perfect for a lizard. Bouncing on the leaves. Climb it. See, this is easy to climb because these algae things, they can easily step on the algae and walk and run up this little tree that hasn't fully grown. Look at that algae plant. I think that's roots. Right there. That's kind of cool. You don't see them much on trees like that. Probably when it rains, it gets on the roots, and the algae keeps on growing and gets on the roots. See, that algae likes to get under the leaves because then it'd start dripping very easily. If it's still hard, it can soak the thing and hurt it. Now, why don't we look at something else?